Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add another account to Steam on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Steam interface where you can see your library and friends list. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Go ahead and click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this menu, select Change Account. This option is specifically designed for switching between different Steam accounts on the same computer, making it easy to manage multiple profiles without constantly logging in and out. After clicking Change Account, you'll see a button that says Continue. Click on it to proceed to the account management screen. This action will temporarily disconnect you from your current session and prepare Steam to either switch to another existing account or add a new one entirely. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Steam loads the account selection screen. During this time, the app is preparing the interface where you can view all your saved accounts or add new ones. The loading time is usually brief, so just give it a moment to fully load before moving on to the next step. Once the screen loads, you'll notice a plus icon displayed on the account selection page. This is the button you need to click to add another account to your Steam client. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. This action opens up a new login form specifically for adding additional accounts to your system. In the form that appears, you'll see a field labeled Account Name. Click on this field and enter the account name for the Steam account you want to add. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears in your Steam credentials to avoid any login errors. This field is specifically for your Steam username, which is what you use to identify your account on the platform. Next, move down to the password field. Click on it and enter your password carefully. This is the password associated with the account name you just entered above. Take your time entering it correctly, as incorrect password attempts can temporarily lock your account for security reasons. Now, here's an optional but convenient feature. If you want Steam to remember this account on your PC for easier access in the future, you can leave the Remember Me option checked. This checkbox is usually checked by default, but if you're using a shared computer or prefer to manually log in each time for security reasons, you can uncheck it. Keeping it checked allows you to quickly switch between accounts without re-entering your credentials every single time. Finally, click the Sign In button to complete the process. Steam will now verify your credentials and add this account to your account list. Once signed in, this new account will appear alongside any other accounts you've added, making it easy to switch between them whenever you need to. And there you have it. You've successfully added another account to Steam on your PC, giving you quick access to multiple profiles from the same interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.